Hi everyone, welcome to DM Production House. Today we are going to teach you how to open Adobe Premiere 2019 version and how to upload a data in that folder. So the lecture has been started. First you have to open Adobe Premiere. Then most importantly just create a folder in any disk by the name of whatever you want to. We are going to create a folder by the name of Bulle Shah. Bulle Shah. The folder is so important because you have to upload this data to the Adobe Premiere by this name of folder. Now collect and select the data which you want to edit. We are going to edit these clips. Basically we create this clip by Sony 6400 with the help of Crane. Now the data has been uploading. It takes some time because it's a huge data which consists almost 3 GB. The data is uploading and it takes a little bit longer. Finally the data has been uploaded in this folder Bulle Shah. Now we have to reach Adobe Premiere and create a new project. Just tab a new project and browse. There is a mention browse and browse Bulle Shah where you create that folder. This is Bulle Shah and just double click on this folder and tap OK. Now all the project has been done and the data is, you have to do sequence. You can get this sequence from their bottom. These are the options menu, but we are going to do in sequence. When you tab a sequence, it's a window, a new window appear, and then you have to select 1080 pixel DSLR 1080 pixel 30. Now it takes a little bit more because it's a huge data. So just click click on the folder icon. You can see here below. Now again do the same process. Get your folder and click on the all videos and do open. It will also take time, most probably 10 to 15 seconds or 30 to 50 seconds, depends on your data. And just wait for it because it's not completed yet. You can see this bar, blue light is blinking. You have to wait for this. Whenever it goes, you can start editing from this video. And furthermore, you can see at this side, this is in sequence by 71, 72, 73, 74. How do you make the video? It's so important. That data is now showing. These are all the clips. It is almost 40 clips or 30 to 40 clips. see these videos, and then this is all how we create a folder